how to tune the guitar for beginners, absolute beginners. We are going to do this the easy way. I'm going to show you exactly which app to get. So let's pop the phone up. I'm going to record my phone at the exact time so you see exactly what I'm doing. This is the exact app that you're going to want right here, Fender Tune. Okay, let's pop this open. All you're going to do once you have Fender Tune open is hit the green all the way at the top. So let me go back. You will see the auto tuner at the very top. Now this is where it gets a little tricky and what you need to pay attention to. Look at the upper right here and go to settings. All right, make sure you're on acoustic. If you're on electric, you want to change it to electric, like so. So go to acoustic. Now look down here, because this is something that I was never told. So I got a little screwed up in the beginning. Standard, EAD, done. Okay, cool. Now, sit it on the edge of your table, like so. And then make sure that you're holding all strings like this and pluck string, the sixth string up top, known as the sixth string, plug it. Keep plucking. And we're just going to turn it like so. Boom. Let's go to the next one, A string. Now, what you see I'm doing there is I'm just kind of plucking it fast. That way the machine can keep registering it. D string's ready to go. Let's move down. G string's ready to go. B string's ready to go. Let's move down to the bottom E, low E. Now, some of the things that can throw your tuning off is if you leave it next to the fire, leave it in your car, things like, again, this is a completely free app, by the way. If you leave it in your car, it may change. So weather, all these things can change it. So it's good to check every few days. If you're practicing a lot, check every few days. Now, one other thing, I want to show you what happens if it gets really out of whack. So let's, boom. Let's take the A string. Let's make it go out of whack. All right, so it's out of whack. Let's bring it back in. Cool thing about this app is, and I like that it's free, so it's a great app, you can go here and you can go to custom tuning. So if you want to do a half step down, you would press that. It automatically calibrates that for you. I use this for my acoustics and my electrics. Beginner guitar here. This is Daily Guitar. I'm Ryan. Be a new video, and I'll catch you in the next one. We do beginner basic guitars accountability. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for being here.